Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 2A, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You have the sound along with a pop-up with share and delete options. There should be also a scrollable one, I believe, in that area above, but because there's nothing to scroll down on, I think it's just hidden. Let's test that theory. Yep, and you see there's an additional option. So this will allow you to capture a longer version of a screenshot, so it automatically shows you the entire page that you could scroll down on, and you can just kind of extend it and then select save. Now, once you've captured your screenshots, you can find them in your Photos application. So right over here. Let's give it a second. So in here, we will navigate to Library, and you'll find album called Screenshots. In here, obviously, you will find just screenshots that I have captured over the time. Now, this is the long screenshot that I have captured, and one thing to keep in mind when you're doing this, the first screenshot that I've captured in the settings to begin the scrollable one still gets captured as a separate one, and then you have the secondary portion of it. And then there is the home screen one that I captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.